The misinformation campaign in the mainstream financial media about silver, the silver short squeeze, about the SLV, about the Sprott physical silver trust, and about the fraudulent paper gold and silver markets continues. So this story came out in the last couple days. It is from the Financial Times, and it's talking about record inflows into the silver ETF or SLV. One of the main misinformation pieces to this article I put in the red box there on your screen, that according to the article, SLV is 100% backed. You just can't make this misinformation up. So if you want to have a laugh like I did, you can. But the amount of capital inflows into SLV was enormous in 2020. They were up by a record 10,000 tons last year, more than double the previous record increase. However, they're predicting that the amount of silver inflows in 2021 will decrease, probably not because the silver inflows are going into the Sprott Physical Silver Trust, PSLV, which has real audits, or into physical metal, with sky-high premiums still on many different silver coins, especially American Silver Eagles. Wow, those premiums, I've heard some of those premiums at some of the discount bullion dealers, $12, $13 an ounce, I think, here in the US, some of those online bullion dealers, that's insane. So unfortunately, I think this article, this Financial Times article, I was able to get screenshots of it, but I think now it's behind a paywall. So you might be able to read it once before it goes behind the paywall again. But overall, what it's saying is that there was an enormous amount of demand of capital inflows into SLV last year, a record by more than double compared to the past. And then there's more misinformation in the article from the mainstream financial media. This time it was the Financial Times, talking about how SLV is 100% backed by physical silver and that anyone questioning them is a moron, or what Jeffrey Christian called us. Didn't he call us like apes or something? See, he called us some derogatory term. He called us like in need of some type of lobotomy or brain damaged people. Meanwhile, we're not the ones like Jeffrey Christian, who every time he gives a free public silver price prediction, he ends up being a contrarian indicator, because all of his public price predictions on the silver price are always wrong. I've been in the silver market covering gold and silver for over a decade, and every time Jeffrey Christian makes a public price prediction on silver prices going up or silver prices going down, he is a contrarian indicator. Finally, if you like this content, please chip in $5 a month over on my Patreon so I can keep this content free. There is over 150 articles, charts, and audio podcasts, including 5 new articles in the last 2.5 weeks on a lot of interesting topics. And I think that the research, analysis, and education behind the paywall is one of the best deals out there for only $5 a month. So definitely check that out. You'll help keep the content free, and you'll also get a lot of added content, premium content, as a nice bonus.